We have a Yanko Design Inventive Window Blind LG speaker. Impress anyone who sees it in action. Ah, look at that. You hide a little speaker over there.
Uh-huh.
Inside the blind. I like the multi-purpose aspect.
And a projector.
So you get privacy. You block the outdoor light. And you enhance the aesthetics of a room. Plus, you get a projection screen.
Mm-hmm.
And you get a nice little speaker. You can wake up to some music going on. I don't know. The blind goes up. The music starts up. What do you think?
Some RGB in there as well.
It is called the Rest or the Resta. What is that apostrophe for? Rest. I don't even know how to pronounce that.
Yeah.
The unique Rest, as it's called, is designed to be mounted on the inside of the window frame, just like traditional blinds. However, instead of fabric or vinyl slats, the blind is made up of a screen that rolls down from the bar-esque body of the speaker. When the blind is not used, the screen rolls back in for a seamless appearance. Well, it does kind of still, it's a little, protrudes a little bit, but so does a blind, I guess. Mm-hmm. I also just noticed it has a nice ambience along top with a kind of an RGB thing going on.
Yeah, it kind of lights up the room a little bit.
That's another nice one. When you wake up, it could kind of slowly illuminate the room before fully blasting the blinds on you. You know how abrupt that is? You get that anxious start to the day. You don't want that. You already have those lamps that do it gradually. And I also see some sort of lamp controller over on the side there. Look how rested this girl looks over here. Look at this.
Yeah. She's great.
I don't know about you, Will.
Having a lot of relaxation.
Holy, man. Imagine waking up like that, ready for anything. You do a stretch. You pull off the stretch like that.
Although it looks fake, doesn't it?
That's definitely not me when I wake up. I'm just going to be clear with you right now. When I wake up, dude, I am just... Yeah, what? And I'm the most miserable. Like, you don't want to even be near it, right? Mm-hmm. Gotta get the coffee going. I gotta get going with it. What makes the Rest impressive is the integrated speaker system combined with automatic blind. The window blind speaker system provides a richer sound experience. A speaker with volume display on board is hidden in a bar at the top of the blind, providing a clean, minimalist look accompanied by mood lighting and beam projection, hence your projector there. Like, you might have a really ugly view.
Yeah.
It's funny that they're showing the view you're covering, and the view is actually nice in this case.
Yeah.
But they're enhancing it. They're even more. They're like, you have trees? What about mountain?
Yeah. Top of a mountain.
What about mountain?
Perfect.
But a lot of people have crap views.
Yeah.
And they can then replace it. It also, you can see here, it can be mounted without a window nearby. It can just be a... Look how cool these people are, by the way.
This guy?
Jeez, man. Got the pant leg rolled up, some sort of house coat looking coffee thing. You gotta be, I mean...
What's this style? Is it...
Well, I wonder what day of the week it is when I see a photo like this.
Uh-huh.
Like, my life is the opposite end of the spectrum compared to this. This is so pensive and philosophical. It's just walking around barefoot on these wooden planks, thinking about the universe. Mm-hmm. Mine is just like stuff getting whipped at my head, and I'm late for everything already. Yeah. It's just the opposite of this.
Yeah. So this is a nice vibe, I guess. This hopefully will help. This
is going to help me?
I think so.
There's no way it can't help me. Listen, multifunctional gadgets that do more than one thing are always interesting to me. Uh-huh. I'm kind of into that. And then I also really appreciate a true blackout blind, which it looks like this will be.
Yeah.
And you normally already have some ugly thing hanging sometimes in the frame instead of in front of it. But this looks like it has a little bit of adjustability.
Different colors.
I think it's cool. Good for LG. I like it.
I wonder if there's a price for this.
$2,000.
I was thinking that.
$19.99.
Yeah, no price. Well, maybe we'll get it.
Maybe we'll get it.